My name is Riley, and my dad challenged me to fake some noise, and I challenged my sister, so.
You just gotta ignite the light and live.